Hello, my name's Donna from Bailey's Waiheke, and it's my pleasure and privilege to show you through 15 Beatty Parade. Come on, follow me, let's take a look. The pathway leads you down and across a little wooden bridge and up through lush bush before opening out into a sunny and elevated garden. And the first thing that strikes you is how peaceful the location is. Overall renovations and repairs have improved this 1960s one-bedroom, one-bathroom bach without altering its character. As you climb the stairs to the deck, the sense of tranquility grows as you take the beautiful bush surroundings and hear the birdsong. Step inside the French doors and you enter into the open-plan living and dining area with the original kitchen neatly tucked along the north wall. The owners have painted the entire interior, installed new blinds, curtains and light fittings, and sanded and varnished the wooden floorboards to give the bach a lovely, fresh, eclectic mix of old and new that simply adds to the relaxed holiday feeling with nothing left to do. The addition of a wood fire keeps everything cosy in cooler months. This truly is an all-seasons holiday getaway. Enjoy alfresco meals on the deck, tuck yourself away on a couch or bed and read a book, or enjoy a short walk to the shops, cafes and beaches. If you're looking for a holiday bach where you can totally relax, this is it. It's been an absolute pleasure showing you through this property. 15 Beatty Parade goes to auction on Wednesday the 20th of February. Rarely do properties like this come up for sale, so don't hesitate too long. Call me to arrange a private viewing, or I look forward to meeting you at one of the open homes.